Google Keep is great for creating collaborative lists. This is perfect if two teachers want to collaborate on tasks that they have to do, but it also can save your marriage like it did with mine. So in a pandemic, having a collaborative grocery list when you both can't go shopping is fantastic. So on my personal side, with Google Keep, I've created a list with checkboxes, and you can get the checkboxes by clicking the three dots in the bottom and just adding checked items. You can also share it just like anything else in Google. So I've shared this with my wife. And you can add certain things that then appear in real time. So my wife can add to it. I can add to it. We can put in the essentials, just some of the things that we pick up on a routine basis, right? The other great thing is if you keep this list, you can just uncheck something that you've already gotten and it appears back up on the list. Or if you check something, it drops to the bottom of the list. So you can continue to get those same items over and over again. And certainly as I'm going down through the aisles, she can add things if last minute she forgets something. So the beauty of that is great. There's also another cool feature. There is a remind. And so if you have it on the phone, like I do too, which I'll show you in a second, you can pick a date and time, or you can pick a place, which is crazy because if you pick a place, I'll try that again. And it allows you to choose a location. I can have it so that when I choose the local grocery store here in New York where I work, as long as my phone notifications are turned on for Keep, it'll buzz and I'll be able to see in real time anything that my wife adds. So for instance, I could be going down the aisles and see that she's adding an item right now, which sometimes can even tell you how good the day is going. So that's Google Keep and how I've used it to keep a collaborative grocery list. But of course, you could use it for other collaborative lists as well. So I hope you get to try it out.